Hi everybody, Seth David here from the world famous Nerd Enterprises Incorporated. I'm partnering with QuickBooks to bring you a spectrum of videos covering topics that will show you how to run your business more efficiently, more effectively, and with greater accuracy. Today we're going to look at how to set up the right multi-channel distribution system that's right for you. You may know me from my YouTube channel where I train small business owners like you in subjects like accounting and process and workflow design. Before we share some best practices and the pros and cons of a multi-channel distribution system, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. And by the way, if you're new to this channel and you'd like more content like this, be sure and subscribe. Also, if you like to read, be sure and check the link in the description below. What is a multi-channel distribution system? A multi-channel distribution system is simply a system where you use 2 or more sales channels to deliver products to customers. Here's an example. A customer looking to buy a gift for his sister by way of a sweater might start out by looking on Etsy. But then he finds out that the product's not going to arrive on time, so he continues his journey searching on Amazon, along the way checking Google and other places for coupon codes. Ultimately, he gets back onto Amazon and makes the purchase. If you're selling on both platforms, you've got a guaranteed sale. Customers now expect products to be available in more than one place, which is why having a multi-channel distribution system makes a lot of sense. A multi-channel system can benefit your business in the following ways. First, improved customer perception. Brands that provide a seamless buying experience improve the customer's experience overall. These brands are perceived as more attentive to customers' needs, purchasing habits, and digital savviness. Second, increasing your customer base. Brands that use a multi-channel distribution strategy are putting their products right in the path of their customers, whether that's in-store or online, and it increases sales exposure and customer reach. Number 3, reducing risk through diversification. Multiple distribution channel means you don't have to rely on a single channel as your only source of income. Merchants who diversify through multiple channels can avoid a major drop in sales as a result of a supply chain breakdown or a major account suspension. A while back, one of my clients, who was in fact selling on multiple sales channels, came into work one day only to find out that one of the major sales channels had shut him down overnight over something that was totally outside of his control. Luckily, he had these other sales channels to rely on while he repaired the damage that was caused by something that he had no control over. 4, unlocking growth in untapped markets. Going multi-channel also exposes businesses to completely different groups of customers, some of whom may become first-time buyers. 5, greater control over your brand's future. When you use a multi-channel strategy, you're not bound by the terms of a sole platform. This means you're free to optimize your supply chain, get creative with your marketing, and have complete access to your customer base. While a multi-channel strategy can increase sales and exposure, you should consider the following before expanding your distribution channels. Increased costs of labor and materials. More products in more places means more suppliers, geographically dispersed warehouses, additional staff to fulfill orders, and additional shipping costs. Cannibalization of sales. Opening up an online store could cause in-store sales to drop. The number of people visiting your physical store could go down now that this more convenient option is available. By the way, when the cannibal was late for lunch, the others gave him the cold shoulder. Potential for channel conflict. When you run multi-channel distribution, your channels could end up competing for the same customer. There's also potential for conflict between direct sales and independent distributors, retail versus distributor, and small merchant versus retail Goliaths. Increased complexity. With more sales channels, you'll have the added work of managing multiple inventory parts and SKUs or stock keeping units, fulfilling orders, working with suppliers, providing great customer service, and guaranteeing delivery on time for each channel. An inability to keep up can lead to mistakes and unhappy customers. With the right tools and strategies, a multi-channel distribution system can work for your business. Here are 3 best practices to keep in mind. Mind your silos. With each new channel that you enter, you run the risk of duplicate records and inconsistent data entry. Your employees also could be entering information from multiple systems incorrectly. To properly manage a multi-channel distribution system, you must agree on cohesive underlying data. Create a frictionless relationship. This can be done through quick responses and access to rich information from sizes, color varieties, high-res images, and stock levels. Automation is the easiest, least time-consuming way to do this. To manage the data coming in from all these channels, you'll need a single source of truth. Now that you've brushed up on the best practices in setting up a multi-channel distribution system, I can't wait to see your brand show up on different channels. Who knows, maybe I'll buy one of your products. If I've helped you out in any way today, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. We'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.